Welcome to Vanguard High School and our IB classroom and lab. I am Candace Roy and I teach AP and IB biology for all 6 periods of the school day. I also open the lab before and after school for students who wish to put in some extra time. All of my students want to learn and strive to earn college credit for this class, so they are willing to put in the time and effort necessary to make that happen. I am applying for the Shell Science Lab Grant Challenge because we lack much of the basic equipment necessary to support the IB and AP programs. My students are very motivated and they depend on the IB program to increase their learning effectiveness and their competitiveness for college and careers.
Vanguard High School was established in 1969 and the IB program was approved in 1996. Most of the equipment we now use was purchased at the onset of the program. Some of this equipment has been here since before 1996. The limited money for consumables is spent on gloves, chemicals, and other basic supplies.
Hi, my name is Maddie. I'm a senior here at Vanguard in higher level bio. This is our combination laboratory and classroom. At the front of our classroom we have a smartboard, but the rest of the space is filled with lab tables that are just groups of tables with chairs. We do have 3 sinks on each side of the classroom, but a lot of the space in between is just countertop, and only 8 teams with 3 to 4 people can actually fit in between the sinks. We have the tables in the center of the classroom that have heat-resistant and chemical-resistant countertops. The only problem is that there's no access to water and there's no access to electricity either. We do have a side storage room, but we have to share it with Miss Morgan's biology class as well.
Hello, I'm a senior in IB higher level biology, and I would like to tell you about some of the challenges our lab has with safety. The school was remodeled in 2008, however, no safety showers were placed in this building. Ms. Roy purchased an eye wash bottle and it is mounted on the wall. We also have a goggle sanitizing cabinet, however, it is stocked with safety glasses, not goggles, and the glasses were donated by parents. We do not have the funds to purchase durable aprons, therefore we have to use and reuse disposable ones.
While biology does not require as many chemicals as chemistry, we do conduct many labs that require various chemical solutions. We currently store the chemicals as safely as possible on shelves here in our storage room, but we do not have a chemical storage cabinet. The chemistry department has a storage cabinet and they store many of our chemicals for us, but they are in a separate building than we are, so we cannot keep large quantities on hand here for biology.
Ms. Roy makes sure that we follow safety procedures. During lab work, we wear aprons and gloves, tie our hair back, remove jewelry, scarves if necessary. We always wear closed-toed shoes, but because safety is so important, we can't do certain experiments because we don't have the proper safety equipment. A lab upgrade would definitely allow us to safely expand the work we do and increase our learning experience while also keeping us safe.
Hello, my name is Lauren and I'm a junior in IB high-level biology. The most significant challenge to our lab work outside of safety is the IA, or internal assessment requirement for IB courses. These are labs where we design independent experiments and do them here at school. Every student's experiment must be slightly different so that the data is unique, which means we must design our own methods. During IA work, we have approximately 25 different experiments going on here in the classroom. This means that we're constantly competing for lab space and limited equipment, such as only having 9 balances.
Hi, I'm Ori and I'm a junior in higher level biology. When we do our open inquiry labs on enzymes, we need to use many different methods so that no 2 students have the same experiment or use the same independent variable. One such method to use is titration, but we lack the supplies for it, eliminating it as a possible method. Another possible process is displacement, but we have limited resources in glassware, tubing, one-hole stoppers, ring stands, and graduated cylinders. This means only a few students can use this process in each class.
One of my goals is to ensure that my students have as many college-level experiences as possible, since many of them will skip 1 or even 2 semesters of college biology due to the credit they receive for this class. I want my students to retain the knowledge and skills that they have learned, and an updated lab would allow me to teach a wider range of hands-on inquiry-based labs.
As you can see, a lab upgrade would help us be more competitive for college and jobs and give us real-world practical experience in science. We need to practice safety and as many science skills as possible in high school in order to be prepared for more challenging experiences in college and beyond. Thank you for visiting our lab today.